Hello there, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be Review channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a new website actually, the star clicks actually that many people ask for the review. So I will review in this video and right now that is it a legit or fake website actually that people are really making money from this website or not actually. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. So what I want from you to like the video, comment if you have any question, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the secret hack about the star clicks that I will show you right now. That is it legit website or is it simply a scam? So you will learn step by step that how it is working, and finally I will show you the proof that it is a legit website. So the first important thing is that you can come to the main interface of the website. So this is the starclicks.com actually. So if you scroll down, actually it is a PPC website, which PPC stands for pay per clicks actually. Yeah, that means that you just need to clicks on something and you will be paid for that actually. So definitely, it is a great website actually that I can say, and it is just for publisher and advertiser means for both it is available, and you can just find out or get some cash from that actually. So the first and important thing is that you just need to sign up with this right away here by clicking the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, you will see visit to this page, which they will ask you that publisher account or advertiser account. So you can just click on publisher account right here and you can simply click here. So once you click here, then you will be visit to another forum actually that they will ask you, for example, your first name, last name here, date of birth, and your postal address actually what country or what. So you can simply add the postal address and your city, where do you live, for example, any country you are, for example, you can select the country, then you can add the zip code right away here and you can add, for example, your phone number right away here, and then you can add the phone number a mobile number right here, and then you can scroll down and they will ask you some question about, for example, the email address, confirm email address, password, again password actually. At the bottom if you see here, they will ask you for security question, so you need to choose one of these question and you can answer that for your security actually. And then you can use where did you find us, for example, you can choose the option like Google search, Yahoo search, friend, family, online advertising, or something like that. Then you can scroll down at the bottom and you can add, for example, if you are referred, means referred by somebody. So I'm not referring you actually. So you can, if you have a referral number, you can add. If not, it's not a problem. Then you can add the captcha code right away here, and you can scroll down and click on I confirm actually, and then click on the register. So once you click on the register, then they will be redirected to this page that your account is created. You need to verify your account. So you can simply go to your inbox right away here, and then you can see the activation email actually that they have sent you. You can simply click right away here on this one. So once you click here, then you will be redirected to this page actually. They will tell you that welcome to starclicks.com. So then you can sign in to your account by clicking the sign in button right away here. So once you click here, then you will be visit to this page and you will be logged into your account. So here this will be the dashboard actually. So one thing is also remaining here. If you scroll down, they have money actually. Account type is silver membership is that, but they have gold membership and others you need to pay for that, but silver is actually for free. So I recommend to just use the free version for now. So you can scroll down and here you can find out mobile verification. For example, if you are redeeming the money or just moving your amount of money to your wallet or bank account actually, you need to verify your mobile number or mobile verification. You need to verify that right away here, and then you can transfer your money to your account. So on the left side, you can see the menu here, for example, like account overview will be that something like this one, mobile verification that I have told you before, and pay-per-clicks ads are there, for example. So how it is working, I will just tell you that you can simply click here and then you can see, click on PPC add. For example, you can click right away here on this one, and they have also HTML code ads also they have. Okay, so you can log into your account. Let me log in again. Okay, okay, so I'm logging now. So what I need to do, I can simply click on paper clicks ads and click right away here. And here will be some ads open for us. So there are the ads actually how it is working PPC ads. So simply here you can see the link. These are all the ads actually. Okay. So simply you can click on the ads. So once you click on the ads, that will be redirect to another page or another website actually. So once you redirect to another page, so you will be stay here for some time actually like that. And once you just visit here, you can just scroll down. So this is somebody is advertising this page actually. You can go back here. You can see on the top here that 1 cent is added to my balance right now. Okay, so if I click on another one, okay, and that will be again redirect to another page actually, means another website. So I can see that here. Okay, and let me just go back. Okay, you see here that account is balance is added to. Okay, so by this way you can add and you can click all these ads actually, and you can just finish these ads, and after or hour or after a day you can see more ads available right here, and you can go ahead with that. If you scroll down the balance, if you just click on the balance, request payout history, a to payout. So you can this auto payout, I will tell you that how it is working. But before showing you that, actually we need to just go to account and just my settings actually. If you want to add or edit something in settings, so you can simply edit here by clicking the edit button right away here. You can simply edit that. Okay, so it is simple and easy. So here you can go to the balance and request payouts. Okay, simply click on the request payouts. So right now I have 2 cents in my account, but I minimum payout is $50. So it is a little bit difficult to reach $50 and then redeem your money. So if we just look here, PayPal is available, Bitcoin is available, bank transfer is available, Western Union. Means these are all the four different ways that you can transfer your money to your account or your wallet actually. You can use these four different methods, and you need to reach 50 to 50 actually the revenue, and then you can redeem. But you can see here the option whenever you click on here and you see a two payouts. So if you just turn out a two payout, you just need to reach $2 to $10. So if it is around between $2 and $20, actually, sorry, $10, so you will maximize, I mean, you can transfer your money if a two payout is enabled. So payout setting is there actually, that you will have more options for that. For example, if you are adding a PayPal email address or Bitcoin wallet address, you can add it right here. And a two payout system is here. If you want to enable that, so you can simply click on enable, and then you can choose the PayPal or Bitcoin actually, and then you can save settings whenever you reach $2 or up to $10, so you can easily redeem your money to your bank account very easily. So that was the whole review and the whole process that I was about to share with you, that it's a legit website and you can just pay per click actually. If we just go to the trustpilot.com, actually if we see the review, so they have pretty cool review like 4.8 review out of 5 actually, which is really great review. And they have 10,314 reviews. From 10,314 reviews they got 4.8 reviews actually, which means out of 5, and it is really great reviews. And these are the reviews that people already given on them like 3 hours ago. 4 hours ago, for example. I mean, many people are enjoying and they are earning money from this website, startclicks.com actually. So you can do the same thing and you can give a try. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.